This Hazelnut Mirabelle Plum mini skillet buckle has a moist and tender sweet cherry-like plum crumb inside a buttery hazelnut crunch and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. The hazelnut streusel and Mirabelle plum cake batter are made separately. In a small bowl, mix 10 grams chopped hazelnuts with 10 grams brown sugar, 10 grams flour, and 10 grams cold butter until crumbly. In another bowl, use a fork to mash 35 grams plum with 20 grams melted butter, 15 grams brown sugar, 5 grams brandy, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon of cinnamon, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Spread the batter evenly into a buttered skillet. Cover the top with hazelnut streusel and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes. The hazelnut plum buckle is done when a toothpick test comes out clean. Let the buckle rest for at least 10 minutes before molding and serve with a scoop of ice cream.